morning.
At the same time.
And then the mom was like, you can take that and that. Or like, good morning. Good morning, Daisy.
Today's Thursday and me and Hope are not feeling this vlogging thing. Hope's crying. Say hi, Abby. I'm sick, I think.
When she got the bottle, and she was like doing it.
Ooh, this is good lighting right here, Abby. Good morning.
Yeah,
We're vlogging at the same time.
And then
You can't see thunder, sweetheart.
guys.
Oh, it's a video. I was all like,
flip the video.
Hey guys, we're having lunch.
I just tried sushi and it sucked.
Are you healthy?
Watermelon.
Say hi, Daisy. Taylor.
But I don't want that side.
Hey, we just got done with lunch. And there they go.
I
don't know what to say.
Because pudding is life. And Doritos.
So, I wanted to explain what a vlog is. So basically, it's like taking you guys around with us throughout the day. And yeah, we just want to document our adventures, especially during our senior year. We want to look back, see all the cool stuff we did, and bring you guys along the way. Right, Ramen?
Yep.
Right. It's basically like a long Snapchat story. We are waiting.
Waiting forever.
you don't have to
Don't want to take a group picture with us.
Hi, bud.
Oh wait. I did turn it off.
Sing for us, Kiana.
What?
Sing
I
for
think I
us.
did turn it
I don't
off.
have a song.
It's right here on the side button. Well, it didn't do anything.
Ass, 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 ass,
Say bye. Bye.